Hello and welcome to this new daily market update. My name is Mehdi. I am a day trader and I trade mainly the DAX, so the DAX German index. Also trade sometimes on like the Dow and the US indexes, but I'm mainly like focused on the DAX, and also I do trade Forex. So my favorite pair is the Euro Japanese yen. Why? Because this pair is not like subject to manipulation as some of the major pairs, because as you know, majors happen to have like lots of manipulation. So there is lots of manipulation involved in these pairs, and you'll have like several moves or several weeks, just weeks, or like fake out moves that will take you out, or that will like that will hit your stop loss by 1 pip or 2 pips, etc. So of course they are tradable, but if you can find an easier pair to trade, why not? Okay, so that's why I'm trying not to trade like I mean, I don't trade the exotic pairs, but I'm trading pairs like the Euro Japanese yen that are less traded. I mean, they are less traded, so they are they are less followed by like big institutions, and you have less like moves that are simply fake outs. So you have better or smoother, I would say smoother, like trends, and easier to read breakouts that like would break and then come back to retest the high. Textbook, you have textbook trading opportunities on the Euro, Japanese yen, and also other pairs, like that are not major pairs. So they are easier to trade, and if why not trade them? Because if they are easier, it means that you have a better chance to at least like be able to make money off trading, or at least like not lose your money as someone that is just getting started and that wants like to learn forex. At least you'll be able to apply what you learn in a forex course. Why? Because like you'll have more, like you'll have easier to read chart patterns, etc., and chart setups. Okay, so anyways, today I'm going to talk about gold. As you can see, price is doing mainly what I said. So I've said here, and by the way, you can go look at my videos in this channel. So most of my videos they go like the way I was expecting them to go. So for example, here I said that this is a buy opportunity, and I said we might have just we might have like a deeper correction, or we might have just a continuation, and this is what we are having here. We are having a continuation, and price is attracted to the upper band of this trend line. So very easy to read, very easy to see. And right now, if you've taken like if you were able like to take a trade like by to take a trade, I mean, as price like broken as price broke like this first correction here. So if you were able to take a trade here, I mean, as price has broken this like this triangle like or triangle like flag, or this is a triangle, this is a flag, I would say. This is a flag, this is a flag correction, and then price like broken to the upside, but you can consider that this is not a flat flag maybe. So this is mainly You can call it a triangle or a flag, it doesn't matter really, because what matters is that, you know, like price has, let me show you, price has broken, and you have here a wonderful, you know, like big candle. You have a wonderful big candle, and you have price, you know, like testing, retesting, to give you, you know, like an opportunity to enter. Here it has retested, you know, like the yeah, I mean the resistance level. It has been retested, so you had an opportunity to enter. Right now, if you didn't enter, you can wait for price to maybe, you know, like maybe price is going to retest again. Maybe you will have a, you know, like a second retest. So you might have, you know, like another opportunity if it goes, you know, like a little bit deeper. Okay, and maybe if it retests this low. Okay, so if it retests this low, you might have, you know, like an opportunity, but wait for price, you know, like to close here above, and then you can decide, you know, like to buy, to get into a buy setup. Okay, so this is it. So uh, the objective or the goal is, you know, like to get to this level, and price is looks like it's you know, like it's heading to this level, but keep focused and keep looking for real entry levels. We are not we are not investors, we are traders. So traders mean that we can trade to the upside, but if market conditions change, you can revert back and start looking, you know, like for sell. Okay, so right now price is in the middle, you can't do anything because price is really in the middle, and we might have, you know, like a breakout, a strong breakout. As you can see it clearly that, you know, like price is being stuck. Okay, it's being stuck between these two levels, right? So we might have a breakout soon, so try to trade the breakout. So even if, you know, like price doesn't go, you know, like this deep, and maybe price, you know, just corrects here, wait for price, you know, like to retest here this level, but to confirm that, you know, like it goes even above it, and then you can, you know, like buy, because here we'll have a breakout. We will have a breakout maybe very soon, you know, like we'll have a breakout, possibly, you know, like tomorrow you'll have your breakout. So get ready to trade the breakout. Okay, okay. So I will talk to you soon, and if you like the video, I would like you to go and watch my other videos, because they have educational content. I'm not just giving setups, but I'm trying to explain, you know, like my thoughts of how to trade and how to look for opportunities. And you can also share these videos, and of course subscribe and share these videos with the people you like, if you like these videos, of course, and you can share them on Facebook, on your social media, etc. I'm growing quickly, because I just have, you know, like 1 week. I just get started 1 week ago, and things are getting, I'm getting more and more views, which is encouraging me, you know, like encouraging me to even work even harder. And I'll be publishing videos every day. So if you want to get updates, you know, on the new videos that I'm going to publish, subscribe, and I'll talk to you next time. Thank you.